fridge.
Oh, of course.
Try the fridge.
What do you think's inside the fridge?
Saucepan. Gummy worms.
Of course.
3. There must be
There's a lot of gummy worms.
3. 1, 2, 3, 4.
What else is in the
4
fridge?
gummy worms.
Is there anything else in the fridge, or just a fridge full of gummy worms?
There's a fridge full of gummy worms.
Wow. So what if we had another fridge over here? I'll draw this one.
And no. We need some more. There.
Perfect. So what's inside this fridge?
Pepper. Flying pepper.
Woo!
Woo!
It's a red pepper. And then, how about this fridge? What's going to be inside there?
Balloons.
Balloon fridge.
Balloon.
Delicious. So we have our gummy worm fridge, red pepper fridge. What was the last one?
Balloon fridge.
Balloon fridge.